Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to activate your iPhone on Xfinity Mobile in 2025. Whether you're switching from another carrier or setting up a brand new device, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have your iPhone up and running on Xfinity's reliable network. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is compatible with Xfinity Mobile. In 2025, most recent iPhone models like the iPhone 17 series should work seamlessly, but double-check on Xfinity's website or app. Start by grabbing your iPhone and ensuring it's powered on with a stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, download the Xfinity Mobile app from the App Store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Xfinity account credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account using your email and phone number. Now, head to the Devices or Activation section in the app. Here's the key step. You'll need to enter your iPhone's IMEI number. To find it, go to Settings, General, About on your iPhone and look for the IMEI. Type this into the app, and follow the on-screen prompts to select your plan and confirm your activation. This usually takes just a minute or two. After submitting, Xfinity will process your request. You might see a confirmation message, and your iPhone should automatically connect to the network. Test it out by making a call, sending a text, or checking your data connection. If everything looks good, you're all set. But what if you run into issues? Common problems include network errors or incorrect IMEI entry. In that case, double-check your details or contact Xfinity support through the app. They're available 24/7 in 2025. Pro tip. If you're activating multiple devices, do them one at a time for smoother results. Wrapping this up, activating your iPhone on Xfinity Mobile is a breeze with these steps. It's a great way to enjoy fast speeds and flexible plans. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.